Hello everyone, welcome to my YT channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite. This Fire TV Stick Lite costs 2500 and I gave the link in the description to buy this product in Amazon. So I just remove this package. Inside it they have gave a bill, and so here is the box. I'm going to take this out. So this is the Fire TV Stick Lite. In the front of the box you'll get the Fire TV Stick and a remote picture, and here the Amazon branding, and here you will get the apps which is available in this TV stick. In the side of the box you will get the features of it, and this supports HD 1080p resolutions. In the back side of the box you will get some information about this TV stick and some Alexa commands, popular commands. I want to open this package. So inside this box you will get the cardboard. In this you will have the TV stick, remote, and the charging cable and the user manual. So I'm going to just keep this box side. So I want to take out the user manual and Fire TV stick, USB data cable, remote, and the HDMI extender. Back of this box, here we have the box. To open this, you have the opening here. Here you can open this. Inside this small compartment you'll get two AAA shell which is branded by Amazon Basics, and inside that you will get the power outlet from Amazon. So these are the things which you'll get inside this box. So now let's take the look at this. So I'm going to just remove this wrapper. And if the Fire TV stick is not working, keep this box and accessories with the bill. You can also return it if the TV stick is not working. So this is the Fire TV stick. Here's the HDMI port. You should plug it into your TV or the desktop. In the back of it you will get the HDMI logo. In the front of it you will get the Amazon branding, that means Amazon logo, and in the side of it you will get the micro USB port to on this Fire TV stick. So this is the power outlet. So I'm going to just keep this side. So I'm going to just open this remote. So this is the remote. It is very handy to keep it. So this is the Alexa microphone button. This is the control switch. This is the back button, home button, and the apps. Media, play, pause, forward, backward, forward, and I don't know what is this button. So then we will get the micro USB and the hello user manual, and in this you have the steps to install this Fire TV stick on your TV.